आते हम जानते हैं और ये फॉक्स के जो वहाँ के महारथी हैं वो जानते हैं कि किसी भी इंडिजिनस मार्केट में प्रवेश करने के लिए वहाँ के सोच, वहाँ के जज्बात, वहाँ की के इमोशनल जो कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज़ को समझ के ही आप वहाँ प्रवेश कर सकते हैं। तो इसलिए उन्होंने इतना उनका एक प्राइस अपना प्रोडक्ट है, उनका स्पेनिश फिल्म है, हमारे हाथों में उन्होंने सौंपा और हम बहुत खुश हैं कि इसका एक कंबाइंड जो एक इम्पैक्ट आया है जानलेवा है। कमाल का बोला ना मैं। See, see, as I said, Spanish film is the reference, the core narrative reference is from that Spanish film, which is the asset of the Fox empire. Since we are partnering with them, Foxstar and Vishesh are partners, that asset is available to us. And for the first time, this partnership is producing a product which is referenced from a European mind and has been rooted through a Hollywood construct into India, with Vishesh kind of giving it a new interpretation in our space. And so it is an official remake, if you would like to use the word, but according to me, as I said, the reference of, I give you the reference of a McDonald's. I don't think McDonald's in the United States serves you aloo tikki, but yet it is, the outlet is McDonald's so in India. So I think we are making Murder 3, which has the core idea from this Spanish film, but it's an official purchase. There is no plagiarism, and you have a reformed plagiarist sitting down here and saying it without any apology that you have stigmatized me rightly for plagiarizing from various sources. But now in the 21st century, with this new revolution, it is impossible to plagiarize. So we have officially made this purchase by giving you a product which is unique, different, and perhaps the only product that could be made relevant to our country.
Aditi, tell us about your role that you play. Definitely 3 times more thrill as its restaurant franchise. Tell us the whole experience working with Matcan, also with Kathy.
I don't think I can tell you much about my role because I think that would come out in the film. And because it's a thriller, I think that's very important to the story, and I don't want to give that away. But all I can say is that I play a young modern woman who loves with all her heart, but also has this niggling question which she wants to get an answer to. And she does, and that's her journey in the film. And I think my experience working on this film, I think that is something that is very, I really cherish it, because like a lot of people have asked me this question, how come you for Murder 3? And I'm so grateful to Vishesh Films, to Bhatt Saab, to Mukesh ji, to Vishesh for thinking of me and to Fox for this film, because I had just the most incredible time doing it. It tired me complete to the bone, but it was just incredible. It was, every day of shoot was amazing. I also found a fabulous, amazing co-star and friend
whom she's beating up right now.
Who usually, and I'm taking Badla in front of everyone because normally he's always marodoing my arm. But I think I really learned a lot from Randeep. He would like put me in a spot and say, think, like in a scene where sometimes I would just do it in a way that I thought was the first thing that came to my mind. But I think he did make me think a lot. I think he, for a whole lifetime, I think he's given me a lot to think of. Bhatt Saab came and was there for the last...
For the most important scene.
For the most important scene of the film.
Because and it was somewhere that film was taking off where Earth left in 1984, where Shabana Azmi walks away from that situation of a husband and the possibility of a boyfriend. So there was a situation like that in her emotional landscape, which kind of had a connect with that. So I was there to give her, but she and Vishesh did a far more a far more staggering job than I could have even thought they did. They brought something of this age and this time. That's why it made me glad that I hung my gloves as a director in 1998. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to match the brilliance of these people.
No, we were very happy to have Vatsap there because I think he pushes you and he catches you when you're imitating yourself and he makes you rethink it. And I think that's what I like. It's great. I think as an actor, I've been a dancer also. I think it's great to be pushed because then you know you're in good hands and you know that they will extract something out of you.
हिंदी वालों को शिकायत है कि हिंदी में
Oh,
तुम नहीं
I'm
बोलते।
so sorry.
Ranveer, tagline suggests love. This Valentine, love will be filled. So, any particular Valentine memory that you would like to share? Any special memory?
We're both looking at each other.
You're on a roll. Come on.
Valentine memories. I don't know, school mein, yeah. I mean, most Valentine memories are school memories where people would write chits and leave them in your drawer. And I was in boarding school, so there was not much chance of doing any tafri or going out or nothing. But वो chits का वो होता था कि कितने chits मिले, कितने flowers मिले, कितने क्या मिले. वो ही
I once played a prank on a girl who used to really like me in school.
there.
कि बोले कि वैलेंटाइंस पे फूल देते हैं, तो मैं ऐसे हाथ पीछे करके फूल देने गया, तो शी वाज डैम हैप्पी अबाउट इट, पर वो गोभी का फूल था। ऐसा करना नहीं चाहिए, बट इट वाज अ गुड
Did she go out with you?
Yeah.
Actually, that would work. I would laugh and say how cute.
Yeah.
It's a good one.
हंसी तो पटी,
Exactly.
बेस्ट वैलेंटाइन
Best.
गिफ्ट।
Correct.
अच्छा, music launch हुआ है, and which one is your favorite song and how different is Mother 3 from music from the previous films?
प्रीवियस विच फिल्म्स?
Mother 1.
जैसे भट्ट साहब ने बोला कि मर्डर फ्रेंचाइज, गुड स्टोरी, गुड म्यूजिक, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज राइट अप देयर विद भीगे होठ तेरे। मेरे को अच्छा लगता है तेरी झुकी नज़र इज़ माई फेवरेट सॉन्ग, एंड आई एम जस्ट वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई एम पार्ट ऑफ अ मूवी विच हैज सच फैंटास्टिक म्यूजिक, एंड आई एम इन दो सॉन्ग्स, एंड आई एम फुल ऑफ ग्ली एक्चुअली।
Okay, last one question.
She recently Pooja met her friend called Zarika. आपको भी
Only related to movie, please.
any reactions around that?
It eats into the platform. The platform this is a commercial platform of Radio City. Radio City 91.1 FM. Radio City.
So also one question. Obviously, I think it kind of lived up to your expectations as far as the performance is concerned. A lot of thought goes into picking a leading lady in a film, especially this new franchise, which is so popular. I think obviously is your favorite because it's kind of one was supported previous film. But what is it like? Can you gauge through an actor or what kind of convention to get Aditi on board?
It was the choice of Vishesh. Vishesh is the director. He is the architect. He is the captain of this ship called Murder 3. And it was his sensibility which was the sniffing hound, which was seeing us through this space. And Murder 3 is a mesmerizing, wonderful gem of a product for us because of this new sensibility of Vishesh. He has been through the international schools, but has the genetic assets of the family. Because I come from my father was also a filmmaker who made more than 100 films. So he has genes plus knowledge. So it was he who made the choice. And yes, Randeep was a choice which was suggested by me to him because Randeep, we were very impressed by him in the making of Jannat. He made Jannat what it was. And he had turned down one other story after Jannat, which was given to him, which he said, it's in the same space. Then we offered him this story. At the moment we offered him this story, I saw his eyes twinkle and he grabbed it like a greedy child. And then he just rode it like a match winner. Sorry?
Wow.
Kite day?
Makar Sankranti.
तीज।
क्या मैंने
आप सबको मकर संक्रांति और तीज मुबारक हो। पतंग उड़ाते वक्त छत से गिरना मत।
आप सबको मकर संक्रांति की शुभकामनाएं। Yeah, have a happy Teej.
All right, done. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Which?